Tonight we got something new to us. Won't mention any names. I know a guy that's always wanted a C-Class Chrysler 300 with a Hemi. As you can tell, this has been sitting for a minute. She's kind of dirty, but it's mine. And the dude I bought it from told me it had a cylinder 6 misfire. He didn't know what it was. Could be a drop valve seat, could be coil, could be a plug, could be an injector. He didn't know. Sounds quiet when we start it. So we're going to pull number 6 and see what it looks like. See what we got going on. I'd already put the scan tool on it, and he was right. She's got a number 6 misfire. I'm going to get you on a different mount here because I'm going to be moving around. And this thing's going to be shaking, and it's just going to be a wreck. So let's get you on a different mount. I'll appreciate it. You'll appreciate it. It'll be way better for everybody. All right, hang out right there. She's a 2-plug per whole Hemi. Can't have a misfire. It's got 2 spark plugs per cylinder. How can it have a misfire? Oh, kind of narrows her down to a bad coil or no compression. These motors like to drop valve seats. This one's only got 117,000 on it, but that doesn't really mean nothing. All that means is it's a Hemi that either has dropped a valve seat or has not yet dropped a valve seat. Stand by. If it hasn't, it will. Ooh, got a gas soaked brand new looking spark plug. Pearly white. That's not a good sign. An auto light. Somebody went economy. Yeah. See if we got any wind in that hole. Well, open says me. Oh, good. No description. Just numbers. They must have tore a page out of Ford's book. I know how to keep her from starting. Usually I just pull a fuel pump fuse or the ignition fuse and crank her over. But no legend in there, just numbers. And you got to go get the owner's manual, which this car does have, and look it up and figure out which one. This is just faster and easier. Stand by, let's give her a drink. Definitely got a gallop like got zero compression. Indeed it does. I'll stick that right up there. You guys watch it and tell me if it moves. Didn't even wiggle, did it? Not cool. Expected, but not cool. I think I got a boxer dog that just opened a door on my car. And nope, got a helper. I'm just gonna check that one. Just the bad one. Well, thank you for your offer.
You're welcome.
Number 6 has got zero compression. Yep, did her again, didn't I?
I did good, didn't I?
Well, we knew when we bought it, and the dude told us it had a cylinder 6 misfire, and he didn't know why, so he didn't lead us astray.
It's a really nice car.
It is a very nice car.
Very nice.
We knew we was rolling the dice on a motor, so here we are. Let's go down here with the camera and have a peek. Oh, she's ugly. Oh, she's ugly. Let me show you what I'm seeing. Down through the spark plug hole. See the piston where the valve hit? Got her a real nice eyebrow right there. And see if I can get it over there. See that spot right there in the lower right corner at about 5 o'clock, 5:30? That's a hunk of a piston that's missing. She dropped the valve seat. Oh, it hammered on things in there too. She made a bunch of noise before she quit making noise. Looks like it got the cylinder too. That's cool. See some up and down gouges and lines. See if we can get a little bit better angle going on there at that. Oh yeah. Cylinder smoked. Up and downy lines and gouges. I see piston rings. Chunk of a piston missing. I think we'll take us a picture of that. She's fixable. But she's going to require some money. Well, it is what it is. Let me show you this car. I don't know why. I've always liked the C-Class 300. This thing's filthy dirty. She's been parked outside underneath of a carport for a year. But look at this thing. She needs some soap and water, don't get me wrong, but That interior's not torn up. Driver's seat's got a little bit of it, but we can fix that. Okay, treasures we even got back here. We got the motor cover. We got throttle body and air intake cleaner. Got us a clean rag. That's definitely a keeper. And that must be the new throttle body. He said it had a new one in the car. So look at this. Got arm restage, can holder, place for your road map so you know where you need to go. About 1.5 inches of farm dust on the sunroof even. But she's straight. Looks like somebody was using the back window as a drawing board. Please fix me, it says. Okay, car, we're gonna do that. We're gonna fix you. I don't know what that says. But she's straight. It'll be going to town rig once we get her fixed up. So, just what we needed, another project. But need it or not, we got it. Here it is. It is happening. We'll throw her in the mix with all the rest and see if we can't save her. That's all we got time for tonight, folks. I just wanted to get you guys included in on this journey. It seems like we're starting a bunch and finishing none, and maybe one of these days we'll reverse that and we'll finish a bunch and start a few. It's how it is in my life, is we're always starting things, working on things. Occasionally we finish things. We're going to try to finish more. So stand by, ride with us on this journey. We'll get it figured out as time goes on. We'll get a few more cameras, get some more angles. Things will get better. But for right now, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching.